Welcome back to another video. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. Picture this. You try to decrypt some data that has been encrypted using C OpenSSL ChaCha20 from Node.js, but running into a pesky issue. The standard Node.js crypto module doesn't directly support ChaCha20 without Poly 1305. Frustrating, right? You've tried using the JS ChaCha20 library, but the decrypted data is not turning out correctly. The decrypt function is returning some gibberish instead of the expected result. So, the problem at hand is decrypting data encrypted with ChaCha20 using OpenSSL in C++ within a Node.js environment. Now, let's delve into the solution for this conundrum. Remember, the key to success here lies in ensuring that the nonce and counter are compliant with the requirements of EVP_ChaCha20. By following the specific guidelines laid out in the documentation, we can tweak the existing JavaScript code to properly handle the for structure. This involves concatenating the nonce with a specific padding scheme and then extracting the counter and actual nonce before creating the JS ChaCha20 instance. With these adjustments, you are effectively aligning the decryption process with the expectations of the OpenSSL implementation, leading to a successful decryption without any hiccups. In summary, we've uncovered and resolved the encryption-decryption dilemma by refining the nonce and counter handling in the JavaScript code. By adhering to the prescribed for format, you've breached the gap between the C++ OpenSSL ChaCha20 implementation and the Node.js environment. I hope you found this solution insightful and helpful. Remember, troubleshooting cryptographic operations can be a bit tricky, but with the right approach, you can overcome any encryption challenge. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!